I slept 100 years in the forest floor. I forgot what I was reaching for. But down in the dark where the silence grew, I found a single seed that looked like you. It didn't need the velocity, didn't need the force or the gravity. It just needed time and a little bit of rain to wash away the wood and wash away the pain. I feel a green spark in the gray. I feel the roots finding the way. The canopy is open, the sky is blue. I'm learning how to rise anew. It's second nature. Second nature. I feel a green spark in the gray. I feel the roots finding a way. The canopy is open, the sky is blue, and I'm learning how to rise anew. It's second nature. Second nature. Second nature.